when it's morning, good afternoon when it's noon, good evening when it's dark, good night when it's night, but good day when it's light. A very pleasant morning to Reverend Father Principal. A peaceful morning to my dear colleagues, and powerful morning to you all, my dear young minds. A very good morning to one and all.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. Today I would like to share with you small topic about be little more. I will repeat, be little more. What is that? Okay. In Telugu meaning inka koncham. Okay. Dear students, wherever you go, whenever you go, we need to have little knowledge and be wise. If you are a reader, be little more. If you are a player, be little more. Then, if you are an artist, be little more. If you are an engineer, be little more. Then, if you are a doctor, lawyer, banker, teacher, be little more. Ultimately, you will become a complete man and woman. This motto you have to apply in your real life, which means in your all our activities, in your all our studies, in behavior, in your behavior, coming to the regularity to the college and concentrate on your studies, participate in different activities, learn new activities, all this become a complete successful person. My dear students, all powers within you. That's why I am telling you, you can do anything and everything. So, my topic, if you follow this one, your life will be like this. Sound becomes music, movement becomes dance, a smile becomes laughter, mind becomes meditation, and life becomes celebration. Thank you, one and all.